movies. So today's video is going to be on how to empower yourself after a breakup or experiencing heartache. And I'm talking about this for the reason that I see many people, obviously you go through splitting paths with people and sometimes it hurts. But you want to obviously start looking into the positives of these things and recognizing that each experience is to help teach us. Each experience does help to cultivate different things and bring up different things from inside of us. Some things that I like to do after experiencing those things is, first of all, allow yourself to feel it. Like, don't shove it away, don't drink it away, don't smoke it away, don't do any of that. Feel it, so this way you can release it. And it's gonna be a bit difficult at first because it's gonna look ugly, and a lot of people, they want to just hurry up and tell you to just jump straight into being okay, but that's not probably possible because you're human and we have feelings, and there's nothing wrong with having feelings, there's nothing wrong with having emotions, but most of the time we don't accept that part about ourselves. Whether male or female, we live in a society that we're told that we need to be strong every day, that we're not allowed to have mental health days, that we're not allowed to call out if you just, you're having a bad day, and that's unfortunately unfortunate. I hate to see this in our society because I feel as though we need to be able to express ourselves and release these emotions so that this way they don't get stuck in our bodies, get stuck in our chakras, get stuck in, ferment and usually become disease. A lot of people don't even want to talk about that, but I have endometriosis and it's been in remission for a few years, and I believe a strong correlation to that is because I've experienced trauma and lots of, just pain around relationships in general. However, it's something that I've managed to learn to transmute. I've also want to give out some tips and just suggest that, it's not easy, and it's okay for you to take it one step at a time, day by day, because time does indeed heal all, so long as you're looking for the healing. And the sooner that you look for the healing, the sooner that you get to see the rainbow on the other side. I've experienced things that are just quite shakeable. Let me just put it like that, shakeable. It can definitely change the trajectory of how you see life. But I want you to make sure that you understand that just because you are not within a union with someone else, that you are still whole within self, that you are still capable, you're still able. That shit don't stop. Just because you may not be in a partnership, and it is okay to miss people, it's okay to love people, it's also okay for people that love each other to go different ways and go within different paths, because if it is meant to be, it'll be. And if it is not meant to be, then you claim your independence, you take your power back, and you recognize that sometimes we're very afraid of what's on the other side of the door. But what's on the other side of the door usually comes possibilities that weren't there before. Versions of yourself that you haven't even gotten a chance to meet, and it's gonna be scary, but please do the thing that you're afraid of. Please know that the thing that you're afraid of the most is usually the thing that pushes you into becoming this version of yourself that you didn't even know existed. You owe it to your younger self to work towards that person and get a chance to see who you can become via your experiences. I'm not a big fan on everybody is a lesson, but we have to learn to be fluid as humans and understand that we're souls in humans' bodies. That's gonna come with large ups, large downs, big achievements, sometimes big disappointments. And I want you to be okay with knowing that it is a chance to start over, it is a chance to grow, and it is a chance to cultivate exactly who you're supposed to be in this season. I don't believe anything happens by chance. I don't think anything is a coincidence. I never have. And even if you may not be understanding what you're being taught in this moment, I'm pretty sure that that's something that ends up coming to you later on. And there's just so much power within your independence. There's power in powerful relationships too, and dynamics. But if that's just not the season that you're in, then that's okay too. Embrace knowing who you are before being with anyone else. Embrace knowing what you like, what you dislike. Do you like to go get your hair done on Sundays? Are you the type of person that likes to play jazz music? Maybe you like to dance, right? Get to know yourself on a deepest core, so that this way you can actually see what hurts you, so you can release the pain. If we run away from the pain, we're not giving ourselves a chance to feel it. And we're humans, we're also animals, right? And most animals, they process pain a lot differently than us. They go through something painful and they shake it off, right? And physically, they literally do that. And this is to make sure that it doesn't stick to their nervous system, subconscious brains, so this way they can move forward. And that's how they heal themselves. And I think we should take some notes from them, because they are the purest element of love that is out there. And we're learning a lot of things, and we're learning exactly who it is that we're supposed to be as loving people. And to love somebody is not to control them. To love something is to be like the butterfly and let it go sometimes. And that's hard. It's very hard. But with that hardship comes so much power, so much opportunity, so much just, I can't even describe it. And it's one of those things that you have to be okay with looking on the other side for, and knowing that you're not alone. You have God, you got me, Big Alpha, and you got a nice little community of these things. When you decide to step into the season that you know you're supposed to be in, and you're listening to your inner voice, you'll be rewarded for that. You'll be rewarded with community, with opportunity. You'll be rewarded with desires, passions, new creations, things that you just never thought you could do before. You will have that drive to do. And that's something that should be honored, because we're not put on this earth to be stagnant. We're not. We're not put on this earth to be stagnant. We're not put on this earth to be stagnant. Don't be afraid of the growth. Please, a mantra, baby, a mantra. I love you guys so much. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.